Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nimra Ahmed. Today I am going to present colonialism. Colonialism is a system in which powerful countries controlled weaker regions. It strongly affected Asia, Africa, and Latin America politically, culturally, and economically. Colonialism means one nation controls another territory. The colonizers gains power, wealth, resources, and markets. The colony loses freedom and independence. Historical background from the 15th to 20th century, countries like Britain, France, Spain expanded their empires across Asia, Africa, and the Americas for trade, wealth, religion, and political power. Features of colonialism. Colonialism involved political control, economic exploitation, military power, and spread of foreign language and education. It weakened local cultures and tradition. Important theorists. First of all, Edward Said talked about Orientalism and representation. Homi K. Bhabha explained hybridity and mimicry. Gayatri Spivak focused on marginalized voices. Frantz Fanon discussed identity and resistance. Economic exploitation. Colonizers used colonies for natural resources, cheap labor, taxes, and trade control. Raw materials were sent in Europe for industrial production. Cultural colonialism. Colonial powers spread Western education, language, religion, and lifestyle. This caused many local cultural and languages to become less important. Colonialism in literature. Post colonial literature discusses oppression, resistance, identity crisis, and cultural loss caused by colonial rule. Examples in literature. Things Fall Apart shows the destruction of Ligbo culture by British colonialism. Secondly, A Passage to India explores tensions between the British and Indians. Effects of colonialism. Colonialism caused loss of freedom, cultural destruction, racism, and economic dependency. It also left long term effects like language change and Western education systems. Decolonization. Decolonization means gaining independence from colonial rule. After World War II, many countries became free and tried to recover their culture and identity. Conclusion. Colonialism shaped world history and deeply influenced politics, culture, and identity. Its effects still exist today, which is why post colonial studies remain important.